I'm Sean Collins. I'm a physician at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. I'm a professor and executive vice chair in the Department of Emergency Medicine and also a steering committee member on the HERO study and registry. The HERO Registry, I think from my perspective, is very important for a couple of reasons. First of all, we've really focused the last several weeks on trying to understand the best approaches to clinical care for patients sick with COVID-19. And I think things have improved, how we approach patients in the outpatient and inpatient setting. But the one unmet need that remains is how to best take care of the healthcare worker who's providing care for the COVID-19 patient. And how has this impacted their regular and daily life? Have they become sick because of this? How do they feel going home to their family and friends, potentially being exposed to patients with COVID? I think there's a lot of unanswered questions from a frontline healthcare worker perspective. The important thing that we're considering in HERO is that really frontline healthcare workers from all aspects. So we're going to start from enrolling pre-hospital providers, so paramedics and EMTs who staff ambulances, to ER nurses and physicians and advanced practice providers, to respiratory therapists, environmental services, people who transport patients, and obviously into the hospital, the ICU. We even have a COVID ICU at Vanderbilt, and then COVID-specific wings in the hospital where there is continual exposure to patients with COVID. So all of those healthcare workers will be broadly approached and hopefully will provide us with some feedback and participation. And a lot of people feel that there's a real urgency and need to answer questions, in the next few days. I think we need to look at this a little bit longer term, that we need to get important answers about the right treatment for patients, the right approaches for healthcare workers, because we're going to be dealing with this pandemic, I think, over a long period of time. And so getting those right answers so that we have a sustainable strategy over the next several months will be very important.